Hi there, I'm Meilani MacDonald, Brand Identity and Outreach Strategy Consultant from MeilaniMacDonald.com. Today, I'm going to give you just a quick tour of wonderful features that are great for small business owners and solopreneurs. Many of Google's tools and resources make project collaboration between distant team members very easy. We're just going to get a little overview of some of these things today. So I'm going to start out by going to plus.google.com. You can see that up here in my URL bar, plus.google.com. When you sign in to Google+, it takes you to your stream. Click on your apps bar and go down to Drive. Drive is the triangle with the three different colors, green, yellow, blue. And Drive is basically your online file, folder, storage, and organization and sharing system. So just like if you are on Windows and you go Explore Computer and it shows all your files that you have on your computer in your folders, that's what Google Drive is, except that it's not on your computer. Google Drive is cloud-based, meaning it's online. One of the advantages of having your stuff stored online and in the cloud is that you can access it no matter where you are. Inside Drive, there's a big red Create button. Click on that Create button, and here are all the things that you can create. Document is your word processing program. That's Google Docs. It's the equivalent of Microsoft Word, but it's online and it's free to use. Presentation is your slideshow. That would be like Apple's Keynote or Microsoft's PowerPoint. Spreadsheet, that's your spreadsheet program, similar to Numbers or Excel. Forms is really nifty, and it allows you to create an online multiple choice form that you can then send out to people to get feedback and information from them. And Drawing is an app where you can create quick drawings using simple shapes like circles and squares and lines and charts. Talk a little bit about how you organize stuff in Drive. Over here, you want to click on My Drive, and when you click on My Drive, if you had any folders, this is where they would be. To create a folder, you simply click on Create. We're going to choose Folder, and we're going to name it Presentation Stuff. So now you can see that if I click on My Drive and open it, my Presentation Stuff folder is right there. So now if I close my folder, and I'm just on my Drive, you see my Presentation Stuff folder here, or I can click here and show it in the list. This little arrow gives you other options on what you can do with your folders. If I want to create another folder for inside my Presentation Stuff, I can create a new folder here. I can share it, I can add a star, I can give it some details, I can move it somewhere else, I can rename it, I can change the color just for my own organization. I will make it purple because I like that color. I could download it if I wanted to my computer, and I can remove it. Now, since I have this folder selected, you can see the document that I have inside the folder. When you're in Drive, you can easily find starred documents, your more important ones, by clicking Starred, and it will list them all here. You can click Recent, and it will list your most recent document. So if you have a whole bunch of documents and you don't remember where you stored one, but you were recently working on it, you can click on Recent, and all the stuff that you were most recently working on will show here. If other people are sharing documents with you, you can click on Shared with Me, and you'll see it there.